Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is harmony. There is no growth in chaos. It's only in harmonies, mind, body, and spirit. Make sure that you're reading things that's leading you towards the goals that you want. Working out every day to your best extent. Sit-ups, push-ups, walking, jogging. Working out that body and then working out your spirit and having a prayer life, a meditation life, going out into the elements, taking in this natural prana and energy and just actually letting it settle your body, your water. You're not troubled water. You're going with the flow. I open myself to divine, and that's what's within me. I'm the image of God. You are the image of God. Thus, I have the power to bring light into my life, and I turn darkness in me into something beautiful. In the absence of resentment, anger, and doubt, I find harmony, gratitude, prosperity, and love. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.